In this video, I will show you how we can use CueTimer as an event schedule and get all this information here into our CueTimer timer list. And to do this, we're going to use a new feature in version 3.1 called Configure List. And this allows you to make our timer list here in CueTimer look like what we have here in the schedule that we want to import. So first we hide the information that we don't need. And we can have this alert 1 and 2 and the counter and the speed. And next we add the custom columns, the extra columns, the presentation, the microphones, and additional info like this. And now I'm going to put it where we want it, like this. Okay, this is good. And now you can see that we have all the columns from our original list and a couple of columns that we need for the timers, like duration and the end, and this one, timer type and end action. So now the next step is to import all the information. And we go to the import menu, paste the information here, so that now we put it back here and just add manually what we need. So we let the names match from like the imported columns to the columns in CueTimer, like this. So here are the columns from the Excel sheet, and these are the columns in CueTimer, and here we can get a small preview of how it's going to look when we import it. So you push the button here, and here we have the complete timer list. And we have also auto-calculated the durations and end time based on the start time. And now you can see that we don't really need to watch this Excel sheet during our event, because we have all the information here in CueTimer, which means that CueTimer now acts as our event schedule. And if you remember, we hide some information. It doesn't mean that it's gone, but when we push this button to the left, we can get all this information here, like the alert 1 and 2 and the speed. We can change it if we need to, like this. Or we can also bring the column back if we regret and we say that, oh, I need to have the alerts available at all times. Then we can always do like this anytime we want to. So now you can see we have the alert one here, and we can change it directly in the list. But the idea is that you hide as much as possible, because it's not nice to have too much information when you are running an event. So this is how you can use CueTimer as an event schedule. Hope this is useful. Take care and see you again soon.